In today's tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to design a YouTube thumbnail inside of Canva using your mobile device. So what you want to do is have your Canva pulled up and click on create a design. Then you're going to type in YouTube thumbnail. And you're going to see it pop up. If for some reason you don't see it pop up, the dimensions you're going to be using for a YouTube thumbnail will be 1280 pixels by 720 pixels. So I'm just going to click that. And then now I have my screen up. So what I want to do is just start working on my layout. And so I'm going to change my background color to, let's see, like a lime green. And so now what I want to do is just start working on my layout. So I'm going to go under elements and under frames, and I'm going to get this square frame. And so I'm just going to size it down a little bit, duplicate another one, select both. Okay. Then I want to duplicate one of the squares and I want to make it into a rectangle. So I just drag it down like that. And I'm going to put it in the middle. Then I'm going to select these two and just duplicate it and put it to this side over here. And this is how I want my layout. You can do your layout however you want to, but this is the layout that I'm going for on today. And so the next thing I want to do is just bring in my pictures. So I'm going to go just get the pictures that I want. And then I'm just going to drag them in the frame and drop them. Okay, and that's my layout. So what I want to do to make this seem like it's blending in the background, I'm going to scroll back up to my elements. I'm going to get a regular shape, get a regular square, that same green color, and I'm just going to expand this one out to fit the whole canvas. And then I'm going to go click the three dots, go right here with my transparency, and I'm just going to take it down some. You don't want it all the way down like this. You want it to have like a somewhat seamless blend. And the next thing I want to do is just start working on my text. So I'm just going to keep it fairly simple, and I'm just going to put that this is a Dubai vlog. So I got my text. Okay. I'm trying to get my keyboard to pop up. Okay, for some reason my keyboard wouldn't. Okay, there it is. So I'm going to just type in Dubai. And I'm going to change my font by clicking up here. I'm going to just go through and pick a font that I want. Let's see. And I don't want all my text to be capitalized, so I'm going to go to the three dots, click uppercase, and now my text is capitalized. And I'm just going to bring that up. And then for my other text, I want this to be like a cursive font. And so now I'm just going to go and change it. And just the font. Actually, I might just do everything once. Let's see. Okay, let's go back to the cursor. And I'm trying to make the design look presentable, but at the same time, I don't want the video to be extremely long. And so now I'm just going to add that bottom text. And so I'm going to put jet skis. And here is how you get the slash, the up and down slash. You're going to click right here at the bottom where it has the 1, 2, 3. And then you're going to go and click the pound plus equal sign button. And then you can see right here, here is the forward, the up and down slash. And then once again, you're going to go down here to the 1, 2, 3, then the pound plus equal sign. And then right here, you have that forward slash. I'm going to put this one in the middle. Then something else you can do, you can also do highlights. So you could do highlights of the main. Okay, and let me just add a border around here. And how you would get the border around this square, you would just click up here, the second one, and you can make it however big or small. I'm going to keep mine at about 4. Or we could do, let's do 6. 6. Then to change the color, I think I'm going to change it to white. Okay, so now you see. Then I'm going to add one more. Okay, actually, do that. I'm going to try to. Okay, and this is pretty much it. This is how you would design a YouTube thumbnail on your phone. Feel free to get creative with your design. Make it better than this one and do it however you see fit. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.